Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Teachable for online course income step by step clearly. To start using Teachable for your online course income, visit the Teachable website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and choose a password. After completing the sign-up form, check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your new Teachable account. You will be prompted to set up your school name and URL. Choose a name that reflects your course content. Next, select your business type and provide your payment information. This is crucial for receiving your earnings from course sales. Now, navigate to the dashboard and click on Courses. Select New Course to begin creating your first online course. Fill in your course title and subtitle. Add a course description to engage potential students. You can now choose between different pricing options, one-time payment, subscription, or payment plan. Once you decide, set your course price. Next, move to the curriculum section to create course content. Click Add section to organize your materials into modules. For each section, click Add lecture to upload videos, lectures, or PDFs. Make sure to provide supplementary resources to enhance the learning experience. After organizing the curriculum, head to the Sales Pages tab. Choose a template for your course landing page. Customize the page with your course details, images, and testimonials. Next, ensure your course settings are configured correctly. Check the SEO options to optimize visibility in search engines. Now, visit the Settings tab to finalize your payment and tax settings. You can also set up any promotional discounts for your course. Once everything is in place, preview your course to ensure it meets your standards. When satisfied, click Publish to launch your course. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.